Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss what is the use of tags on the BotPenguin platform. So firstly, let's quickly go to the tags section. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You have to go to the more option right here. And then you'll find the settings section. You just have to click on that. And here we have the tag section where you can create and manage your tags. So what is the use of tags? Tags in BotPenguin are labels used to organize users based on their actions or characteristics. They help with targeting specific groups, personalizing messages, tracking users' progress, and automating workflows. To create a tag, you can simply click on the Create Tag button here. Here you can enter the tag name. For the demo purpose, I am entering new user here. And that's it. You just have to click on the Create Tag button and your tag will be created. To assign the tags to the users on the BotPenguin platform, you simply have to go to the Inbox section. Here, you'll see the list of all the users. And to assign any tags to the users, you can just click on the Assign button right here. And then choose the tag from the list. And that's it. That was how you can create and use the tags on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation. The link will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.